everyone. My name is Nikhil Kulkarni. I'm the regional lead for commercetools, and I'm looking forward to speaking with you on our upcoming webinar. We're going to talk about the differences between monolith, headless, and composable commerce, and why the industry is moving towards composable commerce. Speaking to a lot of our customers, the primary reason to doing that is to provide their customers with a fantastic user experience, no matter which channel they find themselves in, be that website, mobile, social, or even metaverse in future. A headless, decoupled, composable architecture means you can focus on the front end, give a delightful experience to your customers, while the e-commerce magic happens in the back end. And therefore, you can provide that particular differentiated experience to your customers in no matter which channel they are in. So come listen to Chris, Vue Storefront, and commercetools on the 21st of April on why customers should be looking at composable commerce, the TCO behind it, the transition from monolith to composable architecture, and some of the use cases where customers have done this transition and are benefiting from it. So looking forward to speaking to you, and thanks for taking the time to listening to this.